So there are a whole bunch of design tokens available to us in the Astryx Design System, and they fall into a few categories. The first one being spacing. So it is, and let me double check. It is based on a 4-pixel system. So spacing 1 is going to be 4 pixels. Spacing 2 is going to be 8 pixels. Spacing 4 is going to be 16 pixels. The other one you get is shadows. So there's 3 of these. There's shadow low, medium, and high, and that's going to tweak how the shadow on an element looks. So right now, it's a little hard to see here, but this is a shadow medium when I hover over these guys, and these are the cards. Every Astryx theme has a light and a dark schema. And what I'm doing right here is I'm making sure that I'm matching the system. If it's set to system, then we want to get whatever this user's system prefers. Outside of that, it's mostly colors. So we've got color background muted, yada, yada, yada. And then there's also radius container, which is going to be, border radius on a container. Yeah, so what we're going to do in this lesson is we're going to implement a toggle very similar to our language toggle. So we built this guy previously. We're going to set one there for toggling through system, light, and dark. So we're going to jump over here to our Kanban component. And right here after locale and set locale, we're going to drop in mode, set mode, locale, and set locale from use preferences, which we created previously in our providers. Just to remind you on that, here is our use preferences function, and it's managing these app preferences, which have mode, set mode, locale, and set locale. So we're setting all those here. So let's find our language switch button. So here's that button there. And below this, we're going to drop a new button. So we've got a label, and we're just cycling through. If the mode is system, or light mode, or light, show dark mode, and so on. A variant of secondary. So again, one of those keys based on the that controls the color of the text. And then we've got an on click that says, which one to cycle to next. So it's just a bunch of messy ternaries here, but nothing too complex. So we'll save that guy. And I broke something. You know what? I have this twice. We don't need that one. So we are looking at dark mode right now, or system. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to hit light mode, and everything's light. And now you can really see those shadows pop. We'll go to dark mode. And when I hit system mode, of course, it's going to be the same thing. So we can cycle through these guys. It took very little code, very little effort. It's all built in. It's automatic. It's a very cool system that they have with this Astryx Design System.